Yeah, I'm back. So 7 days off. Really pissed off my rhomboid. So that shoulder blade in there, I worked through it the second workout. Didn't like that at all. So a little bit of rest and no activity, of course. I'm always busy, but for sure it was mad. But yeah, it's better now. So I'm gonna just carry on and regulate it. It's not painful right now. It's not even like aching at all. So we'll see how it goes. Let's go. So I don't think I've ever had a rhomboid issue before. And because I'm pushing so hard in this workout, this past, almost three weeks now, it could be an overusage. Could also be my 1 RM attempt at my curl. That was just an experiment, but that could have damaged me too. Yeah, you never know. But you know what? You work around it. Take a little time off, get back at it. So this is 225, 245. Let's see how this moves. RP6 maybe, and nothing's feeling too terrible. Funny thing though, when you're all warmed up, everything feels fine. It's the next morning you find out how much more you piss something off, you know. But it's all part of the experiment, right? Just think long term, don't think day to day. And it's good. Let's do more. So I'm actually not scheduled to do this today, but because it's been 7 days, I want to get a little bit of bench in. So regular warm-ups, empty bar, 95, 135, and then let's do some 155. I was thinking about the rhomboid, where you compress your shoulders together. I've changed my grip to wide grip, and that might do something too. You never know. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, feels all right. Okay, enough fooling around. I'll try some overhead press. Actually get it warmed up. All right. Well, warm-ups are done. I looked up to 85 here. See how it feels. Again, I'm just nursing that. Doesn't feel thick or anything. So far no warning signs that it's pissed off again. Let's try this out. Yeah, I'm still hacking. Okay. Now I think I'll just leave it there. We'll do our 2 sets and do a set plus. Let's take a look. All right, last set. Upper back's feeling okay, no issues, so let's see what I got here. All right, a couple extra. Put down a 7 for that one. And probably do some pull downs instead of chins. But I'll experiment and see what happens. All right, here we go. Yeah, their chins aren't hurting it. So I'm gonna go with go time. Whew. Okay. Oh, best first day back. 7. All right, finish up with some biceps. All right, last one. So I knocked these down like 20 pounds. So take it easy on the poor stabilizer on the back there. Perfect. Yeah, I'm not feeling that in the rhomboid at all. Never used the word rhomboid so many times in my life. All right. Like I said, it was a nice first day back after a week. Of course, I'm always busy in the yard and working on a flagpole, getting that sucker up. I got help coming over hopefully next couple of days. I'll be erecting that big bad boy. And then, I was hoping to get it done by Canada Day tomorrow, but probably not. But if you check out the gardening channel in the playlist, not channel, the gardening playlist, if you're interested in that stuff, it'll be there in a few days. And that's it. So take care of your injuries, work around them, eat real food, same old stuff. See you next one.